He still has to convince females that he's worth mating with. There are plenty of females, but also much more competition. To win a desirable leg, he's going to have to fight. This large buck already has the prime spot. He announces his arrival. He's so popular, the females jostle for his attention. The temperature hits a searing 45 degrees. For now, he keeps his cool. The young buck sees an opportunity. The defeated resident makes a swift exit. Victory for the young buck. He still has to convince females that he's worth mating with. And that will take weeks.